Good afternoon, everyone. I want to welcome you from Peter Waters and myself from Venticool, and also, of course, from the Active House Alliance to this webinar about dumb buildings with smart users. I will start with a short introduction to Venticool to introduce you. What is Venticool? Venticool is the platform for resilient ventilative cooling. And yes, we originated in 2012 already, and we are now existing 10 years. And our goal is to increase communication, networking, awareness in the field of resilient ventilative cooling. And we are a dissemination partner. We were for Annex 62 and also for Annex 80. For us, what is really important is that you see the energy performance relations are key market drivers, as you all know. And for ventilative cooling, this means this is a technology, that requires mature assessment in this energy performance calculations. And that's why our concern is not only international standards, the ISO standards and the European standards, but also national standards in all of your countries. And we really want, and we are pushing this a little bit, that it is included the assessment of overheating, also of resilient ventilative cooling. And you will learn more about resilience later on in the talk of Marcel Schweiker, and also for the design calculation methods. So what is our position, or what we want to have as a result? You see the trias energetica. So this is really important for us. We see ventilative cooling is included in the first and also in the second part of the triangle. We will reduce cooling energy need with ventilative cooling, but also it's now in the European Delegated Act, ventilative cooling is a direct renewable energy source. But what we see in practice, and I think you all know this, that the implementation of ventilative cooling is limited, and that's why for Venticool as a platform, we ask standards and legislation writer to include a fair and easy evaluation of ventilative cooling performance. But we also provide knowledge, like today that we have a webinar on potential and limitations. So not only about ventilative cooling, but like today about how users have a big influence on the performance of buildings and systems like ventilative cooling. And these are all the partners included in our platform. And that brings me to the agenda of today. After me, Yves Lambert from the Active House Alliance will introduce you in the Active House Alliance. And then you have the 4 speakers we are proud of to present to you today. Marcel Schweiker will start with a talk about rethinking the comfort within the human building resilience. Then following by Marco Imperadori, he will talk to you about the sense of cognitive architecture. And then Donya Shaikan will follow with the application of an occupant voting system for continuous feedback. And Bas Hasselaar will finish, almost finish our webinar with an explanation about the Active House Comfort Score. You will see these talks are following each other, and the questions and answers will only be in the end.